आज तुमची मीटिंग आली सीएमा वांगडा रिगार्डिंग.
I came to meet the Chief Minister
ओके.
on one particular issue. Is where PWD, those engineers posts which have come. I am making a direct allegation that the Minister of PWD and the PC has taken money from people to basically get their names selected. Because there were two lists. I clearly remember there was one list called merit list which had come. In that merit list, there was one. I went through that list. There was one candidate who had passed her TA, and she was third on the list. Now, in that same, if you go to see the news list, she's become made a JE. I have got proof that people have paid the minister around 25 to 30 lakhs rupees for each post, and minister has sold the post to the highest bidder. This is my direct charge and allegation. PC and the minister is directly involved. I came here to tell the chief minister to withdraw this list immediately. Okay. That justice should be done to the children who have really answered and who have who have passed on merit. I think now chief minister, it is high time that the chief minister it is high time now chief minister should get all these jobs through staff selection commission.
So तुम्ही आता allegation तुमच्याकडे proof आहे म्हणजे.
Proof I have got people to tell that minister has taken money. I am saying, and I demand with the chief minister basically to withdraw this list immediately and have fresh examination as far as this PWD post is concerned.
Is this happened with only one PWD department or all department?
I am talking about PWD department because I know. I can tell you about that. All the people, see, we don't want dados basically to get the first rank and second rank, and the people who have really basically qualified, who has worked hard, because now this will be nothing with the I feel the children basically who have really answered well, because I know there was someone else came to me today morning saying that I checked my paper back again, and that if accordingly they had given marks as per my answers, I would have got 76 marks, but they showed me as 43 marks, so I failed. So this is the direct allegation what I'm making. This is not allegation, this is the truth, and it is high time the chief minister should basically withdraw that list and put the minister on notice.
बघूच तुम्ही आतापर्यंत असे लोकांमध्ये चर्चा असली, तुम्ही एक आमदार असा आणि तुम्ही हे एलिगेशन करता, म्हणजे कितले हे सिरियस हा हे चल्ला ते सगळं.
अरे सिरियस म्हणजे सिरियस हा म्हणटा भुरग्यांक ते सिरियस न्हू. आतां हे भुरगे सगळे शिकून बाबा वयता थिंगा एग्जाम दिवपाक, चिंतून बाबा आपणाची बाबा आपण शिकलेलो आहा, आपण बरे एग्जाम दिलो घेवन माय पायक सांगता बाबा आपण आई बाबाक सांगता आपण बरे आन्सर केला आपण पास जातलो. मागीर ती हे पळोवंक गेल्यार तुका 8 मार्क्स 60 मार्क्स तुका 12 मार्क्स पिवन आपण फेल जाता. आपणाच्या क्लासीन हांव जर पयले येता म्हाज्या क्लासीन एंड हो जर लास्ट येता क्लासीन, लास्ट आहा तो फुडें येवन म्हाका आनी कितें, वन डे आय विल डाय विथ शेम. So that is the reason I am saying that children will start committing suicide looking at the way how this is functioning. So it is high time the chief minister should take a notice on this.
तुमका किती सांगला सीएमान किती सांगला?
हांवें chief minister सांगलें, chief minister सांगलां आपण मिनिस्टराक आनी पीसीक आपयता म्हणून.
आणि ते विड्रॉ करता म्हणतात.
विड्रॉ करता म्हणून सांगूंक ना. I have only told chief minister that he should withdraw that this thing. And this is my direct this thing.
हांव बरो खुशी जालो. म्हाका फर्स्ट लिस्टान कोणें रिलायबल सोर्सान सांगलें तुजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी मावलो 7 जाण मेरीट लिस्टार आसा. मेरीट लिस्टार आहा म्हणून हांवें आयकलां त्या प्रमाणे हांव खुशाल जालो आनी कोणाक म्हटलें तुमचें जातलें म्हणून. आयज सकाळीं पळयतालें शॉकींग न्यूज, आमी झिरोर पडले. फाल्यां कितें आमची जबाबदारी आसता खंयच्याय भुरग्याक कोणाक कितें कामाक लावपाक प्रपोज करपाक. हिंगा सगळे ओपोज जाले. वी आर रियली शॉक.
अरे हिंगा भुरगीं आमच्या हितून कॉन्फरन्स येता, आमकां मेळोन येता बाबा आमकां मातशें कितें पुणी पळय आमी कितले त्रास करता, आमी कितलें बरी नोकरी कर जाल्यार आमी जीव दिताले म्हणून अशें लुकून म्हणून गेलेले आहा म्हाज्या ऑफिसान. हांव तुका सांगता न्हू. सो आय फील सॅड लुकींग एट द स्टेट ऑफ अफेअर्स न्हू. But if this way our children basically are suffering because of just that one person greed for money, we PWD हांवें काबार केली. अरे लोकांचे भविष्य लुकून हांव सोदता कितें तुमी? तुजे भुरगीं मरो तुमचे आपण पोट भरल्या पुरो.
बरे सपोर्टर आसले त्या भुरग्यांची बरी शिकून मेरीट लिस्टार नांव आसली. आज ते ऑफिस करून सोडून गेले आमचे. ऑफिसान देखून येना मात्र आपण फाल्याच्यान हे नामटा तुकडे कसलेच काम जायना म्हणून.
Now the onus is on the chief minister. What chief minister takes action, we will see. I want the chief minister should take action on this. I have given. This is my direct allegation. Forget what opposition is making. I am a ruling member of the BJP party. I am making this direct because I have got proof, and I have told the chief minister also whatever I have to tell.
कितलो टाइम दितो
Time हो दिवपाचे प्रश्न.
जर काय ऍक्शन झाले जाल्यार फुडले स्टेप कितें आसतले?
अरे ऍक्शन जावंकूच जाय न्हू. ऍक्शन जायना जाल्यार लोक उठतलो. इज सिंपल एज दॅट.
आणि तुम्ही सकाळी जीएमसीचा इश्यू हायलाइट केलो.
GMC issue was what happened. We had gone to GMC basically to check on that on some Goan paper had come that 85%. So we went to basically check whether it is true or false. That was my this. So आता now once the names come out, then we will come to know.
त्यांना ते तुमका कळटले मागीर.
ते मागीर पळोवया. So I had gone to GMC only for that. Okay. Thank you.